Hi guys, in this video we'll discuss how to withdraw money from Cryptoguru app. As you can see, I am on the official app of Cryptoguru. So once you have downloaded the app or opened the app, you can see all the balance here and your account, your rating. This is all random. So you will see this $3,000 your virtual balance, and it is also written that it is free and invested zero. So of course, if you want to withdraw this balance, the virtual balance, that is not possible because this is kind of a dummy balance which they give you to practice your trades and do the stuff on their app. So you can do all the trades and learn things, and once you have learned, then you can deposit the amount and start earning on their platform or start doing the trades. So obviously, if you want to withdraw this amount, then that is not possible. This is whoever have told you, this is totally a lie. As you first deposit the amount, and whatever the profit you will win from this demo money, and whatever the profit you will win from this demo money, the virtual balance, you will not be also able to withdraw it because that will also be virtually. So make sure to do a deposit, do the real trade, and once you do that, after that you will be able to withdraw this from the Cryptoguru app. Just make sure that you have made your account here, and once you have made your account, do the deposit and play and withdraw after that.